Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to use these ingredients for our vegan matcha whip. As you can see, I got the matcha green tea powder from Trader Joe's. Behind that, I used the confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. I have a bottle of cream of tartar, a bottle of pure vanilla extract, and then right there in the middle are our garbanzo beans or chickpeas. And we're going to use the liquid from that can, which is called Aquafaba, and that's what's going to make our whip. So once we drain the liquid out, you should get about half a cup. We're going to pour that into a bowl. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of the cream of tartar, and then we're going to mix with a hand mixer. So in order to get this thick whipped consistency, I'm going to be whipping for about 5 minutes, I think it took me, which is why it's important to use the cream of tartar, because if you don't have that, you'll probably be whipping for 10 minutes and it won't be as stiff. So this is about 3 minutes in, and now we're about 5 or 6 minutes in. Okay, as you can see, we have a nice creamy whip. Okay, so I added in half a cup of the confectioner sugar, and then I went back and added in 2 more tablespoons. That happens off camera because it wasn't as sweet as I wanted it to be. So half a cup and plus 2 tablespoons. And now I'm putting in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to grab that matcha green tea powder. I used 3 packets, although you're only going to see me use 2. At the end, as I went back and I tasted the whip, I felt like it needed more green tea flavor or matcha flavor. So I did end up using 3 packets of the matcha green tea powder. So once I added in all 3 packets, my vanilla extract and half a cup of powdered sugar plus 2 tablespoons, I went back and started mixing that all up. Okay everyone, so here you have it, our whipped matcha. As you can see, that looks really nice and creamy. So I'm going to set that aside in the refrigerator so we can start on our whipped coffee. So I'm using Trader Joe's instant coffee and this raw organic sugar. And now we're going to get started with that. So we have 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. We're going to follow that by 2 tablespoons of the sugar. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Make sure it is hot water and not cold water. So 2, and 2. 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. And after that, we're going to get to mixing again. Okay, so unlike the whipped matcha, this is actually going to be a little bit quicker. I think the entire time it took me maybe 3 to 4 minutes to get the consistency that we wanted. So this is maybe after 2 minutes, and then this is probably the entire 4 minutes. Look how yummy that looks. So now we're done, and we have a nice thick whipped coffee. So now we're gonna get to topping our non-dairy milk with these 2 whips. All right, guys, look at the 2 drinks that we created. So we have our whipped coffee on the left-hand side and that whipped matcha on the right-hand side. I went ahead and used an unsweetened almond milk. I think next time in the future I may want to switch it up and do a chocolate almond milk for the whipped coffee, so it tastes like a iced mocha perhaps. And maybe a vanilla almond milk for the matcha or the whipped matcha, just to add another layer of flavor. But it was yummy with just the plain almond milk. So please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified for new videos. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a good one.